Welcome to Amazing World Channel.
Singapore Reuters, Asia's biggest warehouse operator, Global Logistic Properties GLPLC, agreed to acquire European logistics platform Gazely for about $2.8 billion, marking its first push into Europe and underscoring consolidation in the buoyant sector. In a statement on Monday, GLP said the properties, owned by funds affiliated with Brookfield Asset Management Incorporated Barmer, were spread across 4 countries and comprised 32 million square feet, 3.0 million square meters of total gross leasable area. Singapore-listed GLP, which has a $42 billion portfolio of assets across China, Japan, Brazil and the United States, is benefiting from rising demand for logistics facilities driven by a boom in e-commerce from clients such as Amazon.com Incorporated (AMZN.O) and JD.com Incorporated (JD.O). We have been looking to expand to Europe, and this portfolio presents an attractive entry point given the quality and location of the assets, Ming Mei, co-founder and CEO of GLP, said, adding that the purchase was part of the company's long-term strategy to expand its fund management business. The acquisition portfolio was concentrated in Europe's key logistics markets, with 57% in the United Kingdom, 25% in Germany, 14% in France and the remainder in the Netherlands, GLP said. In June, private equity group Blackstone (BX.N) agreed to sell European warehouse firm Logistic to China Investment Corporation SIG for €12.25 billion, $14.4 billion in the biggest private equity real estate deal in Europe on record. GLP is in the process of being taken over for $16 billion, $11.8 billion by a leading Chinese private equity consortium backed by senior executives from GLP, marking Asia's largest private equity buyout. Property developer China Vanke Company 2202.HK000002.SZ is part of the group. GLP said the transaction is expected to be funded by about $1.6 billion of equity and $1.2 billion of long-term, low-cost debt. GLP will fund its equity commitment with cash on hand, existing credit facilities and new indebtedness. The company does not need to issue additional equity to fund this acquisition, it said. The logistics firm said it intends to inject the Gazely portfolio into its fund management platform. Investor demand to partner with GLP in the European logistics market is strong, and the company is already in negotiations with interested capital partners. In Monday's statement, the consortium taking over GLP said it supports GLP's entry into Europe. It did not expect the move to affect the timeline for taking the company private. $1.357 for Singapore dollars, €0.8490. Reporting by Anshuman and Arga, editing by Richard Pullen or Standharts Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.